gosh! Just burnt my finger trying to sanitize this thing.
Is it gonna hurt?
No.
Golly.
Okay.
Don't touch to my skin.
I'm gonna... Oh, I'm gonna puke. Oh no! Oh gosh! Gosh!
It got on his
Oh gosh! Dude, that's sick. All right, put your... Right, work with me. Look, I don't want this dripping on my legs, so on my pants. So move over. That's... You might want to assist me here with a paper towel. Like wipe it. Can you see that?
Yes.
This.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, let's finish it off. Oh, I'm gonna have to do it over here, dude. Ah! Oh my gosh, that's gross. Shh, be still. Oh, there's a bug on me. There's a bug on me.
On my other leg.
I don't think that was spit. That was barf. Oh, sick. Does it hurt?
No.
No, you didn't feel a thing, did you?
No. Just watching you barf so much.
Oh, that's so...
It's gonna drip off my leg.
Oh! It's on the porch. Wipe that off. Don't touch it anywhere but on the towel. Okay, don't touch your skin with your wound with it. Okay, that's good. I don't want to touch this needle either. That's beautiful. That's... I told you it was gonna be sick.